playing press the button with my friend. Say hello.
Hello. Don't subscribe, I'm going to find you.
He's just kidding, guys. He
I'm
said,
not kidding.
well, you don't have to subscribe.
You have to subscribe.
What? Okay.
Or else I will find you.
Hey, bro, don't stop talking about that.
I'm not kidding.
Well, well,
Hi.
guys, I guess you do have to subscribe, but I haven't posted in a long time, but I have made edits. I hope you guys like them though.
Uh-uh.
Wait a sec, I'll be right back, guys. And
Okay.
so, yeah, Jonah, you can like talk to the people for this time.
Chat, I'm kidding. Okay. No, tell us all. Green. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm back, guys.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Mole, mole.
what did you tell them?
Oh, I just said you don't have to subscribe.
Yeah, but I will,
Oh,
but I will kill you if you don't subscribe.
wait, what? I
Nothing.
thought we were keeping it friendly, family friendly.
Okay, I'm just kidding. Yeah, bruh, I fell. We're gonna be family friendly for the rest of
I
now.
won! Yippee!
Lucky. Okay, so okay. I'm green. Abdu, abdi, abu
Dark
guy.
green.
Press the button. I was the button. I was the person to press the button. Oh,
Storm!
bro! I got pushed off. I didn't know how to play. Come on,
Yippee! I saw my. Wait,
cross the
cross the
bridge
bridge
before it's too
before.
late. Oh, come on! No! What was,
Guys, trust me, that was not.
bro? Honestly, um, guys, uh, like I don't know
Watch out
what
for
is up,
spikes. Wait, what?
guys. We're cooked. We're cooked, guys. We're cooked.
I'm not cooked. I'm a donut.
What?
I'm Rengoku.
You are not
I'm
Rengoku.
Rengoku the donut.
You are not
Who am
Rengoku.
I?
You are not Rengoku the donut.
I'm Kyojuro Rengoku.
Bro, we're supposed to be family friendly, not anime
I know.
businessy.
I said. I'm Kyojuro Rengoku.
Bruh, we're supposed to be family friendly, not anime
I
people.
know. This is family friend.
I know.
Cause I am. Ah,
Okay.
oh my gosh. Ah, they scared me.
Bruh, someone clicked the button. Only the one door is correct.
Come on.
Let's go.
Chamoy.
No!
Chamoy. Chamoy.
Did you just say Chamoy?
Oh. Chamoy.
Oh.
Take me.
Take me to your Xbox to play
Place for.
Fortnite. Take me to your Xbox to
It's
play
right where?
Fortnite.
It's right here. It's right here. It's right here.
No. The.
Which one was it?
Take me to your Xbox to play Fortnite. Ooh, there's a button. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me clicking my mouse, but I'm literally spamming this thing. Spamming this thing.
Jeff won with 104 clicks?
Oh no, I'm getting my auto clicker out when we need this.
Be careful.
Alright, we're supposed to be careful.
Why do I have to be careful, bro? Just stay Tenaida.
Bruh.
I almost fell.
Hmm.
Yes! I won!
Let's go.
Did you win?
Oh, I wish.
Did you win?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting my auto clicker out if we do that again, because I really need that auto clicker for that.
Get ready. For what?
Fight!
Fight! I don't want to fight you, Freind.
It's just that we're supposed to be family friendly, but it can be like Fortnite.
I see you, Freind.
Ah!
Gotta be Fortnite! Fortnite!
This is just like Fortnite.
Fortnite!
Oh!
Fortnite! It's red versus blue.
Red versus blue.
Ah! Hold up. Can we team? Can we team?
Let's team. Let's team.
Yeah, let's team.
Okay. We're gonna spread though. We gotta like. We're not gonna stick together. Oh man.
Oh man. Banana!
Oh, we're
Let's do a
bananas.
banana.
We're bananas.
I'm a banana.
Look at me
Banana.
self. I'm a banana. Oh, first one to
Ew.
get to the finish
Ew.
line. Boom.
Ew.
Bop. Bam. Bada beep. Bop. Bam. Come on.
I didn't do it.
Come on. Go, 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 go. Go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We're here. Bro, I can barely hear you, so then probably everyone could not hear you good. Yeah, the people can't hear you good because I can't hear you good.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Stay away from the pumpkin.
Pumpkin monster, go for it.
What? The pumpkin monster goes right.
Pumpkin monster, go rare.
Ah!
Pumpkin.
Was that you?
No, I'm not the pumpkin monster.
I was the pumpkin master
See you,
once.
see pumpkin monster. Don't see.
Bruh.
Please tell me.
Why is there someone named Toes?
I see the pumpkin monster. He's scary,
Bruh.
scary. He's scary, scary.
Okay, honestly, guys,
Ah!
I don't know what is happening.
Hi.
Well, this is gonna be it for today because I'm gonna make a short video. So yeah, bye guys.